everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl CheKesha Simms of Her Lovely Plan, and I am back with another planner related video. But before we jump into what all this is, I want to give a big shout out to all of my new subscribers and my first time viewers. If this is your first time watching this channel, or if you are a new subby, make sure you drop me a purple heart so I know that you are new to my channel, so I can show you the proper love. And to everyone that has been rocking with me, thank you for coming back and continue to support me and checking out my videos. So let's get into what I will be using in my A5 Traveler's Notebook for the week of May the 6th through the 12th, which is Mother's Day. All right, so this week I'll be using this kit that I got from SERENE Planning, and this is a it's not the deluxe kit because it doesn't have the script headers, but it has most of the essentials that I'm always looking for, which are the nice deco stickers, some date covers, and this one has date dots, but it doesn't have to do it today. So sometimes it's a trade-off. You may get one and not the other, but that is cool with me because I have plenty of stickers that I have piled up in here, along with some other ones that I can pull from to do what I need to do. And I will be using one of these, either the pink or the purple, for my doll sticker in this spread, because I want to try to start bringing back my doll stickers and my layouts, because I used to do these all the time in my mini Plan with Me's. And these come from Golden Plans Co. And I just kind of cut this out so it can fit inside of my album. And then because I'm loving full over my deco stickers, I'll be using some of these silver, or maybe all of them, overlay stickers from Squirrel Prints Co. And of course I'll be incorporating my favorite bow headers from Planning City. And you know, it's not gonna be a spread with at least maybe one or both of these Simply Gilded washi. So as you guys know, I am using the 4-page weekly in my A5 Traveler's Notebook, and this comes from Ali B Designs, in the event that you are asking where I get this insert from. So this kit I used last week was from the Planning Accessory. She is a new shop on Etsy, and she has some bomb kits. I'm just going to say it like that. So some of this stuff are things that I had already written in on the after the pen portion of the video, and some of these things I added throughout the week. Now I am filming this on a Sunday, so some of this stuff is not filled out, but I do want you all to see how it ended up turning out for last week. So this week we're going to go ahead and get straight into the week of May the 6th through the 12th, and of course it is Mother's Day weekend, so I will be incorporating a Mother's Day sticker in there. So if you want to see how I set up my spread for this week, keep watching. All right, so let's go right into laying these date dots over the date covers, and I'm not going to show all of that because, as I always say, you've seen one date dot laid, you've seen them all. And I'll probably do the same thing with this. I'll lay a few of these date covers just to show you how I do them. I'm starting to realize that doing them upside down works better for me. That way I can work from left to right and see. It's harder when I work from right to left, if that makes sense. So now with this kit, like I stated earlier, it didn't have some of the stickers that I normally would go for. One of the tips that I said when you're getting your kits, you must find out the things that you have to have in a kit. That way it makes doing your spreads a lot easier. When I ordered this kit, I just got super hyped because it was so pretty and I legit picked the wrong option, but this is a perfect opportunity to shop your planner stash. When you get kits that don't have all of the things that you need, prepping and pre-planning is key when you are working with a kit that doesn't have everything that you need. So what I did before I actually even decided how I was going to do my spread, I made sure that I pulled out some pieces from other shops that I've had purchased, like script stickers, and then I kind of shopped some of my extras from other kits where I had leftover pieces, like this Days of the Week box sticker. This came from a Golden Plans Co. kit that I had, and I realized that this pink matched the pink in this kit, so it worked out perfectly. So again, like one of the things, like I say, be very mindful when you're buying the kits, because kits can be pricey, so you want to make sure you're getting all of the essentials that you need, and don't get so caught up in the look of them. Of course, you want to get a cute kit. I'm not saying you don't want to do that. And right now, I think this is for Erin Condren, so the boxes and the washi strips are a little bit bigger, but I trimmed where they need to be trimmed. But going back to what I'm saying, so when you're getting your kits, just remember the type of stickers that you have to have in your spreads. If, you know, to do and today headers aren't important, then you don't have to worry about finding kits that have that. One of the other things, if you need to have to do in today headers for 7 days a week, you want to make sure that you check to see how many come with the kits. A lot of kits, especially the mini kits, you tend to either get maybe just like 4 of each or maybe 6 of each. So it's definitely not enough for 7 days a week. So then you have to kind of figure out, at that point, do you want to go ahead and shop your stash? Right now you see I'm trying to customize this bottom washi to fit because I decided not to use it for the whole bottom portion because I use my tracker stickers on the bottom left sidebar that I create as my This Is Week page. And let's just kind of make a point about kits. I know some people feel like if you use kits you're not being creative or they're really easy, but laying stickers in a kit actually is a lot harder than just freestyling, because you're trying to specifically figure out where to lay certain stickers, where not to be real redundant, and just to make sure that you're staggering them in a manner that is fitting to your planning style. And then on another side of it too, sometimes you get sticker kits and the stickers just don't fit your boxes, so you have to go in and cut and trim and make sure that everything is proportioned. Now for me, this kit is like a little teeny bit too big for my rows, but you can't tell not unless you're like really looking at it. And like right here where you see me doing the washi, you can see how it does go over that black line just a little bit. And if that bothers you, then use your planner tools that you have and cut them off. Now with the printable inserts, you do have to be careful because the paper and the stickers sometimes don't like each other, so you may have to definitely invest in undo or try not to lay your stickers down really hard. So as you can see, I am still pulling stickers where I have shopped my stash. I'm using some Happy Planner script stickers in here, as well as these stickers from Scribble Prints Co., which are these silver overlay stickers, because you know, who doesn't like a spread with a little bit of shimmy? So this is an extra piece from the full box sticker that I made a quarter box sticker out of. And again, being creative, making what I can't say that right, making what I have work for me instead of freaking out and saying I don't have enough. Because I'm gonna say 8 times, but for me 9 times out of 10, I don't use all of my decorative box stickers. So this is another opportunity to be more creative with your kits. Take your box stickers, make them into quarter box stickers so you can have more decorative quarter boxes if your kit is missing them like this one. This kit just strictly had the checklist box stickers, deco box stickers, the washi stickers, and then your date covers. And then after that, I was pretty much, had to shop my stash. And I'm gonna keep saying that, shop your stash. Here I am shopping my stash again, pulling some more stickers from those stickers actually came out of the 5144 sticker book from Happy Planner that was a Joann exclusive. And I figured I'll pull some of the stickers that I would use more frequently, especially in my traveler's notebook, because a lot of times you do need a lot of script stickers to kind of identify your categories as you're doing your spread. So now I'm gonna lay this cute doll sticker. Oh my gosh. Like, this is the look that I would love to be rocking for the whole summer. Just, comfortable shorts, a nice button down spring kind of shirt and a backpack and a hat, and keep it moving. So because I don't want to take away from her, I just decided to add a few flags stickers right here that came from the kit. So as y'all know, on my weekends, I like to mirror the Saturday and the Sunday. So it's going to be identical in regards to how I lay my stickers. Of course, the stickers are going to be a little bit different. And I am tracking my PR post here. So I'm using these PR post stickers from Serene Planning, in which this kit again also came from Serene Planning. And all I did was cut the number 1 off the side. Now, because this page is a little bit boring, I wanted to add a little bit of washi that I've been incorporating throughout the spread that matches really well with the kit. And all I'm doing is cutting the top part off to leave a little bit of opening so you can see the words. And again, just to add a little bit of creativity to the spread instead of being boring. Doing the same here. I'm just kind of cutting in like in half moon shapes. So I forgot to mention this clear washi with the silver foil. It came out of my Villa Beautiful kit from last month. Now the washi is exclusive to the kit, so you really can't buy that, not unless she has some extras. And typically if she does have extras, she normally lists those like the following month. But what I'm going to go ahead and do now is just lay these quarter box stickers, because again, I like to mirror the layout part of my Saturday and Sunday so they can kind of match. And right here, what I decided to do was to take my PR sticker off and put it down here in the tracker section, because after kind of thinking about how I was doing it originally, it just made more sense to track that here. That way I can list the PR shops and then kind of bubble in each day of the week versus going in on the lines for each day trying to fit in the name of each shop. So I decided to make this a workout tracking section, and I am pulling a workout sticker from the Supermom sticker book. And again, this is another way to shop your stash and stop hoarding all the things. So I'm going to go ahead and let this run out just a little bit, and then I'll be right back. Okay, now as I finish these final little touches to the spread, I want to remind you guys to make sure you check out the description box for discount codes for shops that I PR for, and as well I will leave the names to the shops that I have used in this spread. And also, if you haven't already done so, make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or any of my Sunday live streams. And as well, if you have liked this video, do me a favor and share this with your planner friends so they can also be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, loves, peace. Hey guys, and welcome to the After the Pen portion of this spread. So I didn't do any pre-planning this week, so I'm pretty much going off the top of my head. So what I'm doing now is just writing in the videos that I already know I will be filming and the days that they will be posting on my YouTube channel. And what I am doing this week, as you can see, I have these quarter boxes all at the bottom. Myself, along with Lisa Mack, we are Mary and Martha Plans, and we have a scripture writing and reading plan called Rise Above. So I want to make sure that I track those scriptures for this week in this spread. It is a 5-day 2-on, so Monday through Friday we have scriptures, and then Saturday and Sundays are days to reflect and days to catch up. Because if you're anything like me and you're busy, sometimes you don't get to write your scriptures down on the days that are required. So having those extra couple of days to catch up are really great, and we'll probably keep doing that. And if y'all are interested in the reading plan, I will leave a link to my website, which is hertestimony.com, as well as the Facebook group Mary and Martha Plans. So now I'm just going in and filling in a few things. By the time you've seen this video, you would have already seen that I had a funeral to attend, and even though death is a part of life, the saddest part is the people that are left behind. So I had to go to a funeral. My godson lost his grandmother, and I had to be there for him. So y'all keep my godson in prayer. So on Tuesdays at 7:30, my husband and I, as most of you know, we are a ministry, and he is a pastor, which makes me officially a first lady. So every Tuesday we have Real Life with Lorez and CheKesha, where we minister the word of God and just do kingdom work together. And I love that I have my husband as my ministry partner in life, and as well as my Boaz. I am his rib, as he says. So getting back to the pen portion of this spread, again, like I said, I'm just kind of going off the top of my head. But one of the things that I really wanted to incorporate this week was, well, really not incorporate, but to change, was how I tracked my PR posts. Kind of making a little bit of adjustments in my A5 Traveler's Notebook, pulling out some inserts that I really don't use, and trying to make the most out of this weekly insert that I absolutely love. So I decided to use this tracker portion to track my PR posts, because you have the little bubbles that have the days of the week over top of them. That way I can just bubble them in with a highlighter, a marker, or a pen, versus trying to write out each shop that I'm posting for in this portion where I have workout on the middle right side. So this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoy. Until next time, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.